Here we are at the Medical Parkway Exchange office building in Austin, Texas. Otis Globe, JimLiElevators, and
a 60s Dover. Awesome. Oh, I love that relay. See if the relay will click. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, this is amazing.
Bumper that barely works.
Yeah, let's see if the relay works. Listen. Oh, doesn't do it anymore. Oh, there it goes.
And 2.
Call station they have there. Oh, green for down? Barely lights up. Wait till it closes. Wait till it closes. It's green for down, red for up. That's a mix-up. Just saw that. Send it down to 1.
It's a Dover from 1967.
Sold in 1967.
It's JimLiElevators.
Captain Elevator 42189. There's your ADA compliant phone. Now let's do a full silent trip, shall we?
Okay. Ready?
That used to be an indicator right there, but they covered it up. I don't know. I don't get why they did that.
I don't know either.
These are your fixtures. That is your stop switch right there. That's your old Dover logo.
Dover black buttons.
Black button fixtures.
And
call the elevator down. I want to listen to it. It's locked, which is a good thing. Here's your water fountain right there. It seems like this water fountain is original to the building, I believe. I'm not sure. There's Nicholas right there.
that's it.
And that'll be it.